Hi guys, I had this laptop, ASUS laptop coming in today for no power. What it is the customer told me that he was working on it, and walk away. It's supposed to go to sleep mode and it never come back on when he came back in. As you see here, the power is in because there's a light here. As soon as I plug it in, it show that light. uh, but when you press the power button, uh, nothing happening. Okay, so let's open it together and troubleshoot and find out what the problem is today. Okay, to open it up, just like any other laptop, I believe you just have to remove these screws at the bottom here and take the cover off, and we're gonna troubleshoot from there. Okay, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 10 screws. Just take it apart, and you should be able to open the cover off and then work on it and I guess check it out. This is actually a very clean laptop, very nice laptop I'm seeing in here. So it's kind of funny for based on what the customer said, it make no sense at all to me. The only thing I could think of is, I guess, the only thing I could think of is when it's in sleep mode and when he plug it over the weekend, he keep it plugged in and one of the transformer outside or something blow up and it create a power surge to his computer. Um, and it doesn't turn on or it shut itself, it block itself out. I'm not sure what the problem is exactly, but that's the only thing I could think of, uh, because it doesn't make sense. This is a very good laptop I'm seeing here, uh, and for it to work, and he just walk away only, and come back to work over the weekend, and it just doesn't turn on. To open it up, just go along the edges with the prying tools, guys. I didn't. Sorry about that, guys. Customer came in, so I had to help him. Anywho, to open it up, you take those screw off and just trying to pry along the edges here. You see how it's open up? Just get something, and there is, I guess, clip or hinges or whatever you call it along the edges. It will release the cover off. Okay. It's gonna be different from time to time. You all may have some fight to it, but the fundamental is the same. So just take your time and I guess open it. Okay. All right. It is out. When you remove that cover, like I said, it's gonna be different for everybody, time to time, even if it's the same exact laptop. So my best recommend on that is just take your time, because these cover is very, I guess, brittle. So if you pry it too hard, it will crack and damage the cover itself. Okay, but once that out, everything should be straightforward. The only thing I could think of, like I said, is a kit. There's a power surge, and it blocked itself from working. So let release the battery and press the power button to release any power it may have inside there. Just hold it down, press it a few times, and hold it down for a few seconds. That will blank out all the battery or whatever juice or power it have left. Okay, and now we're gonna actually, I'm just gonna leave that open. I'm gonna plug the cable in and see if anything changed at all. Ooh, I see keyboard light and it turned on. All right, so I think that was the problem. I guess my assumption was right. Um, on these newer model, if there is a crazy, I guess, different in power, or it detect itself that is something going on, it will block itself from receiving any more power, maybe. But as you see, it is on. So let's plug the battery in now and see if that's the case for the customer today. It's gonna be an easy fix, I guess. These things do happen sometime, so you never know, because he said he left it plug in over the weekend, which is from Friday to Monday. A lot of things could go wrong. Usually, I would say plug it in, but don't plug it in like that, That's just too much plugging. All right, battery is in, and the keyboard light is back on, and the computer is on. I just want to make sure that it turned on and show me that it's charging. And if it is, I'm just gonna call him with the good news. It wasn't too crazy. So yeah, it is in, and it is plugged in, and it is charging. Okay, good news. Let me unplug that. Um, Let me shut it down. I'm probably gonna wipe it down for him, but it wasn't looking too bad, so I'm gonna leave it. Sorry about that again, guys. Customer came in, just trying to help him out real quick. Anywho, yeah, that is good news. My assumption was right. So I believe that was the problem that we having today, and the customer should be thrilled because it's not something major. It's just I guess you could say, it's power glitch. Um, it's just blocking itself from any more power going into it. It's like a fail safe mechanism or that they design on this laptop. But overall, nothing too bad. It's a very nice laptop, very clean. So yeah, based on what he told me so far, like wow, that's the only thing I could think of, and apparently it is that. So that's good news for him, I guess. Very good news. And just in case you guys need to know the model number of this laptop, it's a ASUS Q533M. Um, for this, I don't think the model number will be matter. It's just the symptom is the same. So I don't think the model will be matter on this unless you fix the motherboard or something like that. Then it makes sense. But for something like this power glitch problem, I don't think you need to. Okay. Anyway, I hope this video helped. I know this probably a very common problem, and it probably happened to a lot of people. So hopefully this video get to help you guys out there. Okay. And for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you.